Alright, I got my white Teflon dope here coupled with this. I'm just using this blue monster tape because that's what I happen to have in here. Not too much, not add too much. Try not to get any on the inside of your pipe.
You're gonna need this for tomorrow, right?
What?
This in there.
Yeah, tape. Make sure you tape those ends in case something gets in there. It's like so. I don't like my end that tight. Put that much pressure on the end of the flex.
You guys want to hear a joke?
Yeah. Yeah, get in front of the camera.
Naked.
It's all good in the neighborhood. They say you're not supposed to rip these labels off, so what I do is I'll take a piece of tape and I'll just tape it so it's nice and clean. Don't know if I really like how tight they had that flex there, but I straightened it out. Looks like it still has its integrity. Valves back on. I'm going to go ahead and spray these down. Then I'll work on, we could tie the electrical back in. It's nice about this being a like-for-like furnace. It's real easy to tie everything back in.